Sorry po yan.
Again, we would like to request everyone to kindly take their seats. Thank you very much.
Both for the indies and mainstream are some of the most interesting parts of movie making.
Tama ka dyan, Bianx. Kasi kumbaga sa ating mga artista, yan ang parang glam team ng pelikula, di ba?
Tama.
So, kasi they designed the entire look of the film, pati na rin ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga eksena. Lalo na when you look at the movies of 2023. Maraming nag-rewind to as far as the 1800s.
So we begin this segment with the awards for the best editors of the year. Here are the outstanding indie movie editors.
For Indie Movie Editor of the Year, Isabel Denoga, Apag. Vanessa Ubas de Leon, In His Mother's Eyes. Janelle Gutierrez, Ang Duyan ng Magiting. Gilbert Obispo, Litrato. Zilla of Lola and Mark Lola, Tierra. Benjamin Tolentino, Itimapupukaw. And Noah Tonga, Monday First Screening. And the star goes to Gilbert Obispo for Litrato. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Tammy Basi.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang aking unang kauna-unahang Star Trophy. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat kay Direk Louie Ignacio sa pagtiwala sa akin at guidance sa pag-edit ng aming pelikula Litrato.
For Movie Editor of the Year, Benjo Ferrer, Firefly. Froilan Francia, When I Met You in Tokyo. Maria Ignacio, Rewind. Benjamin Tolentino, Gombuza. Noah Tonga, Malyari. Noah Tonga, Wish You Were the One. And Vanessa Ubas de Leon, Instant Daddy. And the star goes to Noah Tonga for Malyari. Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Mercy Ehamde.
The design single scene. Kaya bilib kami sa mga production designers gaya ng mga sumusunod.
For Indie Movie Production Designer of the Year, Jay Custodio, Litrato. Marcy Maulen Fadul, In His Mother's Eyes. Josiah Hiponya, Ang Duyan ng Magiting. Ramil Mandulu Pineda and Zimba Seduki, Ako si Ninoy. Dante Mendoza, Apat. John Paul Sapitula, Pietro. And Enrico Toralba, Monday First Screening. And the star goes to Dante Mendoza for Apat.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Mel Navarro.
Alden, sabi ni Robbie, movie themes ang isa sa paboritong categories niya. Ako naman, ito ang mga inaabangan ko rin. Kasi sa mga pelikula, bukod syempre sa mga madidinding aktingan, this is the category for the cinematographer of the year.
Yun naman talaga. Agree na agree ako sa'yo dyan. Actually, gusto ko nga rin, pangarap ko rin talaga maging cinematographer.
Talaga?
You know, upon seeing the film production, diba? Parang sarap niyang gawin.
Aabangan natin yan. Alden.
Yes, because our cinematographers add drama and brilliance to every breathtaking scene. Yan ang magic ng cinematografiya. And here are the nominees for the Indie Cinematographer of the Year.
For Indie Movie Cinematographer of the Year, Neil Daza and Rap Ramirez, In His Mother's Eyes. Che Espiritu, As If It's True. Nelson Macababat Jr., Pieta. T.M. Malones, Fall Guy. T.M. Malones, Litrato. Rap Ramirez, Apag. And Tom Redoble, Unravel, A Swiss Side Love Story. And the star goes to Tom Redoble for Unravel, A Swiss Side Love Story.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Lourdes Fabian.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Arce de los Reyes, Director ng Unravel. Unfortunately, hindi po makakarating si Tom, pero in behalf po of him and of Mavix Productions and sa lahat ng bumubuo ng pelikulang Unravel, nagpapasalamat po kami sa PMPC para sa karangalan na ito. So maraming salamat po.
And now, from the most artistic and most beautiful scenes from our indies, we now move on to the movie cinematographers of the year. And this is the amazing list.
For Movie Cinematographer of the Year, Albert Banzon, What If? Neil Daza, Firefly. Neil Daza, Rewind. Carlo Mendoza, Kumbursa. Pau Orendain, Malyari. Shane Sarte, When I Met You in Tokyo. And Noel Tihanti, A Very Good Girl. And the star goes to Neil Daza for Firefly.
Presenting the trophy for the PMPC is Eric Borromeo.
Magandang gabi po. Si Direk Neil po ay nasa Zamboanga ngayon for a shoot. Nais po niya magpasalamat sa PMPC, GMA Pictures and GMA Public Affairs, sa kanilang CAMDEP, Arian David, Elmer and Sunny, sa bumubuo ng Firefly, aming actor Yuen and Isabel na nandito. And I'd like to share from one of Direk Neil's interviews about Firefly cinematography. 95% of Firefly was shot using natural light. Managing to achieve consistent lighting continuity in films, especially in equatorial regions like the Philippines, is quite a daunting task. Every shooting day from Baseco to Sorsogon became a challenge to chase the right sunlight and what's left of it by 6 p.m. But Zeke Dulay's vision carried us through to come up with a heartwarming film about a mother's love and bravery. Muli maraming salamat PMPC at mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino.
PPC Star Awards for Movies will be right back.